Good morning and welcome back to our channel. So now we are starting the playlist for machine learning. And the first topic is recognition. So let's start the journey. So now let's talk about recognition. Using recognition service you can find object, peoples, text, scenes and images and videos using ML. So let's take an example that in some image you need to find some of the particular object. So you can find the objects using recognition service. So it can do facial analysis and facial search to do user verification, or for example, it can count how many people are there in the image. You can create your own database of familiar faces and compare against a database of celebrities to find people in the database as well. Now let's see use case of recognition service. The use cases of the service is take an image and do labeling on the images and videos. Then you can do content moderation on your image. You can also do text detection. Face detection and analysis can also be done. For example, we can find the gender, the age range and the emotions that are associated on the faces of the image. We can also do face search and verification. Celebrity face recognition can also be done. And last but not the least, pathing can be also done using this service. Pathing means, for example, you are doing the sports game analysis of a video. That's a very high level of analysis. Remember that recognition is about images and videos. So we are on the recognition website. It is written here that we can automate our image and video analysis with machine learning. This website also shows us how it works. So for example, we can see an image in the labels section. So for this images we can identify the elements of the image. For example, here we can see a person, a rock, a mountain bike. We can also see outdoors. For example, we can also create custom labels. We can detect custom objects such as brand logos and label them. Then let's take a look on content moderation. So we can check here that the image is appropriate for all ages. Then we can also detect texts. Here we are able to see the peoples running in the image, so if we want to see the numbers written on the runners we detect it. We can also do face detection analysis. For example, we can see that this person looks happy. She's smiling, her eyes are open and she's a female. We can also do face search and verification, if we have a security application. Lastly, we can also recognize a celebrity. We can take an image of the celebrity. The person in the image is the CTO of AWS. So this are the use case of recognition service. So you need to know about a feature which is content moderation. Content moderation is used to detect inappropriate, unwanted and offensive content from the images and videos. So it will be used if you have social media or you broadcast media or if you do advertising or if you are doing e-commerce, and for that you need to create safe user experience. And make sure image is displayed, and doesn't show contents that would be marked offensive by some person. Offensive content means, for example, racist content or other kind of content like this. So how does this works? The image which we will choose will be analyzed by the Amazon recognition. And then we can set the minimum confidence threshold for the items that will be flagged. So you set it to whatever percentage you want. And obviously the lower you set this percentage, the more matches you're going to get. And this confidence percentage represents how confident Amazon recognition is that this flagged image represents indeed some inappropriate or offensive character. And once you have done this, and you have flagged the images, you want to do the human manual review. So to do so, you can use the Amazon augmented AI, which is called as A2I. And all of this process here allows you to automatically flag images that can be sensitive. And then use a final manual review to know whether or not you want to keep them or delete them. This may help you from comply regulations in case you must detect this kind of offensive content before posting it to your applications. So that's it for the video. Meeting you in the next video.